So Justin, look at this. So her skull on this side is actually crammed further. Turn your head this side. Pretty good job. Okay, head to the other side.